What you got? You showing off that ball of yours? Yeah? Hey everybody, this is my favorite toy. It's very tasty and easy to grab. And it rattles. This is Yahya at about 5 months. He's been home just over a month. He loves to play with his toys. I say bye-bye.